Cook County in north central Texas until 5:30 p.m. At 4:55 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located over Lindsay or near Gainesville, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado and tennis ball size hail. Source, emergency management confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over many rural areas of eastern Cook County. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 492 and 503. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid the windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Love County in southern Oklahoma, southwestern Marshall County in southeastern Oklahoma until 5:45 p.m. At 4:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles south of Thackerville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-hour size hail. Source, wind not indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Marietta, Kingstone, Thackerville, Lebanon, Willis, southeastern Lake Lee, and western Lake Texoma. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest